हेलो गाइस, वेलकम यू ऑल इन माय चैनल स्टडी हार। और आप सभी को हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन। और हमारा आज का टॉपिक रक्षाबंधन ही है, तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। रक्षाबंधन, द बॉन्डिंग बिटवीन अ ब्रदर एंड अ सिस्टर इज सिंपली यूनिक एंड इज बियॉन्ड डिस्क्रिप्शन इन वर्ड्स। The relationship between siblings is extraordinary and is given importance in every part of the world. However, when it comes to India, the relationship becomes all the more important as there is a festival called Raksha Bandhan dedicated for the siblings' love. Raksha Bandhan, that is Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan, this is a special Hindu festival which is celebrated in India and countries like Nepal to symbolize the love between a brother and a sister. The occasion of Raksha Bandhan is celebrated to the full moon day of the Hindu's lunisolar calendar in the month of Shravan, which is typically fall in the August month of Georgian calendar. Raksha Bandhan Rakhi, here some pics. Meaning of Raksha Bandhan. The festival is made up of two words, namely Raksha and Bandhan. As per the Sanskrit terminology, the occasion means the tie or knot of protection, where Raksha stands for the protection and Bandhan signifies the verb to tie, the tie or knot of protection. Meaning of Raksha Bandhan. Together, the festival symbolizes the eternal love of brother-sister relationship, which does not mean just the blood relationship only. It is also celebrated among cousins, sister and sister-in-law, which is bhabhi, fraternal aunt, bua, and nephew, that is bhatija, and other such relations. Festival symbolizes the internal love of brother and sister relationship. Raksha Bandhan symbolizes the originating from the Sanskrit term Raksha Bandhanam. Raksha means protection and Bandhanam refer to a bond. The term simply translates to a bond of protection. Observed on the full moon day of the Hindu lunisolar month of Shravan, which the Shravan and the Georgian calendar month of August. This auspicious day over the year has been associated with celebrating the connection between a protector and a protectee. Raksha Bandhan symbolizes bond of protection. Importance of Raksha Bandhan among various religions in India. Hinduism. The festival is mainly celebrated by the Hindus in the northern and western part of India, along with countries like Nepal, Pakistan, and Mauritius. Jainism. The occasion is also reversed by the Jain community, where Jain priests give ceremonial threats to the devotees. Sikhism. This festival devoted to the brother-sister love is observed by the Sikhs as Rakhri and Rakhi. Raksha Bandhan in Hinduism, in Jainism, and in Sikhism. Reason for the celebration of this festival. The festival of Raksha Bandhan is observed as a symbol of duty between brother and sister. The occasion is meant to celebrate any type of brother-sister relationship between man and woman who may not be biologically related. On this day, a sister ties a rakhi around the wrist of her brother in order to pray for his prosperity, health, and well-being. The brother in return offers a gift and promises to protect his sister from any harm and under every circumstances. The festival is also celebrated between brother and sister belonging to distant family member, relatives, or cousins. The festival of Rakhi, Raksha Bandhan, is observed as a symbol of duty between brother and sister. The fascinating story of Raksha Bandhan that you probably didn't know. Who tied the first Rakhi to whom? A mythological theory, Draupadi and Krishna. One of the most popular Indian mythology legend is of Lord Krishna and Draupadi. On Makar Sankranti, Krishna cut his little finger. Watching Krishna bleed profusely, Draupadi cut off a part of the loose end of her sari and tied it on his finger. In return, Krishna promised to protect her. Krishna's help to Draupadi was immortalized in mythology. Krishna cut his little finger. Watching Krishna bleed profusely, Draupadi cut off a part of the loose end of her sari and tied it on his finger. Yama and the Yamuna. When Yama, the god of death, did not visit his sister Yamuna, the river goddess sought help from river Ganga for 12 years. Upon a reminder about his sister by Ganga, Yama decided to visit Yamuna. Being overjoyed by her brother's arrival, Yamuna prepared a beautiful feast for Yama and tied a rakhi to him. Delighted, he asked his sister what she wanted as a gift. All she wished for was her brother to visit her soon. Moved by his sister's love, he blessed her with eternal life, and so Yamuna, the longest and the second largest tributary river of Ganga, flows tirelessly today. Yama and Yamuna. Emperor Humayun and Queen Karnavati. After the death of her husband Rana Shanga, Queen Karnavati became the official of Mewar and ruled it in the name of her elder son Vikramjit. When Bahadur Shah of Gujarat attacked Mewar for the second time, the queen began looking for support from other kingdoms. Karnavati at that time wrote to Mughal Humayun for help, sending him a rakhi and sought protection. Despite Humayun's father Babur defeating Rana Shanga in 1527 and the Mughal emperor himself being the middle of another military companion, he abandoned everything to pay his attention to Mewar to help Karnavati. The Mughal emperor was heartbroken when he couldn't make it on time. The Rajput army was defeated in Chittor, and Rani Karnavati had immolated herself in the Rajput custom of Johar. But later Humayun restored the kingdom to Karnavati's son Vikramjit. Emperor Humayun and Queen Karnavati. Nobel Rabindranath Tagore started Rakhi Mahotsav. Here are some pics of Rakhi Mahotsav. Present day. Raksha Bandhan celebrated may have begun in the Vedic era, but the tradition continues in present day. India with full swing and fervor from a simple scared thread called Kalwa to modern day Iraqis sent to brothers abroad. Raksha Bandhan has drastically evolved but countries to strengthen bond. At time our changing sisters are not only seen tying rakhis to their siblings but donning some themselves too. Man or woman doesn't matter, every protector deserves a rakhi. No, who tied the first rakhi to whom may continue to be a mystery, but don't let that stop you from tying one to whomever you want. Present day. Happy Raksha Bandhan, Happy Raksha Bandhan, Happy Raksha Bandhan. To outside world, we grow old, but not to brothers and sisters. We know each other as we were as children. We always believe in innocent child living in our heart. Have a lovely Raksha Day. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you. Have a good day.